The Princess Who Gave Birth to a Kitten. In the middle of a dense forest stood an old, worn-out cottage. Two sisters, Zoya and Miriam, lived there with their frail, ailing mother. Life was hard and filled with poverty, but love between them was abundant. One day, their mother quietly took her last breath in front of her daughters. Miriam, sobbing, "Zoya, Mother left us all alone. Now we only have each other." Zoya, wiping tears, "We'll always be together, Miriam. Just like Mom used to say, 2 bodies, 1 soul." A few months later, a prince came hunting in the nearby woods. His horse got injured, and he stopped near the sisters' cottage. At that time, Zoya was alone. Miriam had gone to a nearby village for some work. "Prince, who are you? Alone in this forest?" Zoya, shyly, "We lived here with our mother. Now it's just my sister and me." The prince was enchanted by Zoya's innocence and beauty. He began visiting her daily. Within a few days, he fell in love. When Miriam returned, Zoya told her everything. Miriam, smiling, "Zoya, your fate has changed. If the prince wants to marry you, then it's your destiny. When he comes tomorrow, go with him. Just promise me one thing. Don't mention me to him." Zoya, "Why not?" Miriam, "I just want you to be known for who you are. Let me remain in the shadows." The prince married Zoya and brought her to the palace, but soon Zoya discovered that the prince already had a first wife, Noor Jahan. She was clever, proud, and full of jealousy. Noor Jahan despised Zoya's simplicity and began to plot against her. Noor Jahan, furiously, "This village girl in my palace? Let's see how long her happiness lasts." To protect Zoya, Miriam secretly entered the palace disguised as a maid. She warned Zoya not to tell anyone about their relationship. "Miriam, we must keep our bond a secret. Your in-laws won't understand." Zoya agreed. Months passed, and Zoya became pregnant. Noor Jahan's jealousy reached its peak. When Zoya gave birth to a beautiful baby boy, Noor Jahan carried out a wicked plan. In the middle of the night, she stole the newborn and replaced him with a kitten. Noor Jahan, to a maid, "Take this baby and throw him somewhere far. Make sure he never survives." But that maid was none other than Miriam. Instead of killing the baby, she took him deep into the forest, to a hidden place, and raised him herself. When everyone found out that Zoya had given birth to a kitten, they called her cursed. Even the prince was heartbroken and had her locked away. Prince, sorrowfully, "I loved you truly, but this..." Zoya remained silent. Her eyes wept, but her lips showed patience. 6 years later, the prince went hunting again. In the forest, he saw a little boy playing, one who looked just like him. Prince, shocked, "This child, he looks exactly like me." He approached the boy, and just then Miriam appeared. Miriam, with tears, "Your Majesty, he is your son. Noor Jahan committed a terrible sin, and I saved him." She revealed the whole truth, that she was Zoya's sister, and Zoya was completely innocent. The prince was devastated. He returned to the palace, brought Noor Jahan to justice, and she was severely punished for her cruelty. "Prince, forgive me, Zoya. I didn't trust you. I am guilty of doubting your love." Zoya, wiping her tears, "Love demands patience, and patience is always rewarded." Zoya reunited with the prince and their son, starting a new life filled with peace and joy. Miriam stayed with them, and their bond became stronger than ever. The palace was once again filled with laughter, happiness, and truth, because jealousy always destroys, but truth with patience always wins.